Hi and welcome back, everybody. I hope you all are having a great day out there. We've got good news, bad news, and everything in between, but a lot of misunderstandings based off some misinformation out there. And so I want to clarify a few things real quickly in this video before we get into the good news, which I do believe far overweighs the bad. All I ever ask is if you do like talking about both Ripple and XRP, drop an X in the comment section, smash that like button, and share this video. Let others around the world know what is truly happening in this digital revolution. We're seeing about a 2.6% drop here at the time of this recording globally for the cryptocurrency market. Now, I want to start right here, guys, because an accidental, keyword accidental publication sparked a lot of excitement for the XRP community yesterday, as you can expect, as CME Group, an error publication, put out introducing Solana and XRP futures launching February 10th. I want to be very clear. This is not, in fact, happening, as Eleanor Tarrant, who I have a lot of respect and faith in, but a CME Group spokesman tells Fox Business, which is who she works for, that the beta version of the website, which is often used for mock-up drafts, was made public in error. No official decision has been made about launching future contracts for either token. And so I wasn't able to put this out yesterday because I traveled from Indiana here to San Diego. I'll be here for the next week visiting some family, my wife's family here, but this was put out in error. And luckily, we held off because this was something that was initially put out as the truth and came back to be actually false, as well as this XRP scan. I'm sure many of you have heard at this point, warns the community about a fake, keyword fake US Treasury XRP account. And there was a lot of speculation out there about whether the US Treasury had opened an account on the XRPL. This was a scam, essentially, that was flagged as spam. And so this wasn't, in fact, a US Treasury account. And David Schwartz, the CTO of Ripple, actually identified this situation, clarified it. If you want to check out his post on X, stating, look, anyone can make an account named anything. We have to do our due diligence and look just a little bit deeper and further and understand what's out there. Now, that's all the bad. Now that we have that out of the way, let's talk about some of the good, because here today, CEO BlackRock, CEO Larry Fink demands swift SEC approval for the tokenization of bonds and stocks, stating, quote, "It's madness that we're not advancing tokenized every bond and stock." Listen here.
But crypto is going to play a big role. The digitization of currency, digitization of everything we're doing. I'm a big believer in this. Is one thing that will change Bloomberg even. I believe we're going to be in the cutting edge of tokenizing bonds and stocks. And we have the technology now. The fact that we are now moving forward in tokenization, every bond and stock, is crazy. Yeah. We should be moving towards that frontier. Obviously, there's winners and losers and all that, but we need to be prepared for the tokenization. And it would democratize more finance if we tokenized bonds and stocks.
Now, obviously calling for swift action, and things are heating up in a big way. Who is positioned to take over the market in terms of tokenizing bonds and stocks? I believe XRPL is perfectly positioned for this. Now, let's take a quick look at some connections with BlackRock and Ripple. For those that don't already know, that Craig Phillips had joined the Ripple board of director. In fact, Craig brought 35 years of experience, right, from the industry to Ripple, having held leadership roles at where Morgan Stanley and BlackRock, as well as we know that in April 2019, BlackRock hired former Ripple executive Robbie Mitchell to lead its digital asset area. And so the connections here run far and wide, but we also have to understand is Ripple over the past 4 years, puts Chad Steingraber, has slowly accumulated hundreds of bank clients and money transmitters as part of the RippleNet ecosystem. Since the US election, Ripple has signed more clients than they had in the previous 6 months. And you take a look at the bank list, it's just absolutely enormous. But Rosie Rios, a lot of people are sleeping on this and aren't talking about this, here yesterday put out congratulations to the president, Donald J. Trump, and VP J.D. Vance on your inauguration this week. As we near 2026, I look forward to working with your administration to celebrate 250 years of America's rich history and promising future. Keywords, promising future, from of course, Rosie Rios, many of you know, the 43rd Treasurer of United States. Her name is, in fact, on the dollar bill, and also a board member over at Ripple, now stating she is looking forward to working with Donald Trump as we move swiftly into this digital revolution. Things are progressing very quickly. Things are heating up very quickly. Now here today, we're seeing a little bit of a pullback, and our $3 range is becoming just like it was in the $2 range, where remember, we had a few weeks there where everyone started fudding, everyone came out with negative comments, when is this going to move? And then it quickly moved up to 3. I believe once we get that next catalyst, which I think in the next 4 to even 8 weeks could in fact be the resolution of the SEC and the Ripple case, we are looking at a quick double up. And so right now is the time to accumulate. Not financial advice, not telling you what to do, but right now is opportunities on the table, in my personal opinion. Now, let me know your thoughts, your opinions in the comment section below. Guys, appreciate all your support. Again, sorry I couldn't get a video out here yesterday, but we're going to make sure to keep you informed throughout this week and going forward, of course. Make sure you keep those notification bells on, and we'll see you all in the next one.